everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmal Software, and today I'm going to explain you how to add checklists. So let's start. Just click on Project Manager module, then open Checklist submodule, then click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. If you want to export multiple checklists, then you can use Export to CSV and Export to Excel option. To add new checklist or new test case, click on Add Test Case. Just add project. If you don't have this project list over here, then please check out my previous video how to add projects. Just select the project, then just add checklist title, then add estimated time in hours, and just save it. Your checklist entry will be created on the index page, and you can easily view edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can quick search your product through this filter, and you can refresh it through this refresh button. If you have any queries to add the checklist, please connect us at contact us at the redsunmosoftware.com. Thank you.